Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Knowledge to Knowledge. In the previous lecture, we discussed that how can we derive the quadratic formula by using the method of completing square. In today's lecture, we will discuss or we will learn that how can we apply the quadratic formula in an equation. So, by using the quadratic formula, which is the third method of solving the general quadratic equation, that formula is equals to x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can see that over on the screen पर ये ब्लू कलर से जो है वो शो हो रहा है फॉर्मूला एंड द फॉर्मूला इज x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, राइट। हम इसको एक क्वेश्चन के थ्रू एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं और फिर हम इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं। सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. Now we will compare it with our general equation, and the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We can write the general equation over here. The equation is a x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We will compare this equation with a question, right? The question is 5x square plus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. So we will get our a is equals to 5, b is equals to 8 and c is equals to 1. By using the quadratic formula, first of all we will write the formula. Don't forget to write the formula. If you are doing the question, any formula is used, don't forget to write that formula in your question. बोर्ड की मार्किंग के लिहाज से वो अच्छा होता है कि आप फॉर्मूला मेंशन करें. Now by putting the values, minus 8 is the value of our b, square root 8 square minus 4 a and c divided by 2 and a. The value of a is 5, right? तो हम वो पुट कर देंगे वैल्यूज उसके अंदर. By solving the values inside your square root, that is equals to 8 square means 64 minus your 20 divided by 2 into 5 is 10. So now, by solving the values inside the root, that are 64 minus 20. So your 64 minus 20 is equals to x is equals to minus 8 plus minus square root 44 divided by your 10. That is equals to minus 8 plus minus 2 square root 11. Now the question is कि how the square root of 44 becomes 2 square root 11. So उसको भी हम चेक कर लेते हैं कि वो किस तरीके से डिराइव हुआ. Here we have the square root 44. तो square root 44 को we can write as 4 into 11, can be written as square root 4 and square root 11, right? Square root 4 will be equal to 2 square root 11. So वो वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पर राइट डाउन कर दी अपनी. डायरेक्ट वैल्यू भी आप इसकी लिख सकते हैं, राइट? वैसे तो आजकल कैलकुलेटर्स में हमारे पास भी हैव द ऑप्शन कि वो आपको डायरेक्ट दे देता है वैल्यू. 2 will be taken common, minus 4 plus minus square root 11 divided by 10. 2 and 10 will be cancelled, right? And we get our answer minus 4 plus minus square root 11 divided by 5. No more cancellations or no more simplifications are possible in this question. Square root 11 को if you want to solve तो वो आपको डेसिमल में आंसर देगा. So हमारे पास यही हमारा जो है वो सोल्यूशन सेट हो गया, right? So we have the solution set. Solution side is equals to inside your curly braces minus 4 plus minus square root 11 divided by 5. Next जो हमारा लेक्चर होगा, in the next lecture we will discuss one more example for the application of quadratic formula. और वो थोड़ी सी हम difficult form की या tricky form की लेंगे because ये बिल्कुल ही simple application जो थी, right? This is completed now, right? If you have any queries related to the question related to the application of quadratic formula, don't hesitate to ask. If you have any queries, any complications, do mention it in the comment section. और जो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हमने डिस्कस करनी है उसके लिए आपने डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच एंड टिल देन टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज.